Tofu, sweet potato and black rice bowl. Ingredients: 14 ounces tofu, 1 large yam or sweet potato, cut into 3/4 inch cubes, drizzle of olive oil, 3/4 cup uncooked black rice, peanut sauce. Ingredients: 3 thin slices ginger cut across the grain.
Ingredients:
1 fat clove
1
garlic,
1/4 cups short grain brown rice or long
butter,
grain brown rice,
1/4 cup fresh orange juice,
1½ cups frozen
2
shelled
tablespoons soy
edamame,
sauce,
preferably organic,
3 tablespoons maple
1½
syrup,
cups trimmed
honey,
and roughly chopped
agave
snap
or
peas
sugar
or snow
substitute,
peas,
3 tablespoons toasted sesame oil, half 1
Buddha
teaspoon
bowl.
cayenne pepper,
Ingredients:
3/4
1
teaspoon
1/4
salt,
cups short grain
Full
brown
veggie
rice or long
options.
grain brown rice,
1-2 cups
rinsed.
shredded cabbage,
1½ cups
1-2
frozen
cups
shelled
shredded
edamame,
carrots,
preferably
1-2
organic,
cups shredded beets,
1½ cups trimmed
1
and
cup
roughly chopped
sliced
snap peas or
peas,
snow peas,
half cup thinly sliced radishes, 1 avocado,
Buddha
fresh
bowl.
sunflower sprouts.
Ingredients: 1
Directions:
1/4 cups
Preheat
short
oven
grain
to
brown rice or long grain
425
brown
F.
rice,
Blot
rinsed.
dry, then
1
cut the
1/2
tofu
cups
into
frozen
2-inch
shelled
squares or
edamame,
2 3-inch
preferably
long
organic,
strips that
1
are
1/2
3/4
cups
inch
trimmed and
thick.
roughly chopped
Place
snap
on a
peas or snow
parchment-lined
peas,
sheet pan. Sprinkle lightly with salt. Cut the yam into 3/4 inch cubes and place on the other side of the sheet
1
pan,
1/4
or
cups
another
short
pan.
grain brown
Drizzle
rice or long
lightly with
grain
olive
brown
oil and
rice,
sprinkle with
rinsed.
salt.
1
Toss and
1/2
spread
cups
out.
frozen shelled
Make the
edamame,
peanut sauce,
preferably
placing
organic,
everything in a
1
blender,
1/2
and
cups
blend
trimmed and
until
roughly
smooth.
chopped snap peas
Reserve
or
half
snow
of the
peas,
peanut sauce for the bowls. Use the remainder to coat the tofu. Pour
Buddha
over
bowl.
tofu and brush tops
Ingredients:
and sides and
1
lather them up.
1/4 cups
I like
short
to
grain
leave a
brown
very
rice or
generous
long
amount
grain
on the
brown
top of
rice,
each piece.
rinsed.
Place in
1
the hot
1/2
oven
cups
for
frozen shelled
25-30
edamame,
minutes.
preferably
Cook the
organic,
rice like you would
1
pasta
1/2
using
cups
this
trimmed and
basmati
roughly chopped
rice
snap
method.
peas or
See
snow
notes.
peas.
Prep all your veggies. And FYI, these are just options for
bowl.
you. Feel free to use
Ingredients:
what you like,
1
adding or
1/4
subtracting
cups
from the
short grain
list.
brown rice or
When
long
the
grain
tofu is
brown
caramelized
rice,
and the
rinsed.
sweet potatoes
1
are fork
1/2 cups
tender,
frozen
assemble
shelled
your bowls.
edamame, preferably
Drizzle with the
organic,
remaining peanut
1
sauce.
1/2 cups
Or
trimmed and
place the
roughly
peanut
chopped snap
sauce in
peas
a
or
little
snow
dish on
peas.
each bowl.
Buddha bowl. Ingredients: 1 1/4 cups short grain brown rice or long grain brown rice, rinsed. 1 1/2 cups frozen shelled edamame, preferably organic. 1 1/2 cups trimmed and roughly chopped snap peas or snow peas. Buddha bowl. Ingredients: 1 1/4 cups short grain brown rice or long grain brown rice, rinsed. 1 1/2 cups frozen shelled edamame, preferably organic.